Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start with two essentials: administrator rights and backups of any VMs you care about. Once ready, disable the Hyper-V Windows feature. Open PowerShell as admin and run Disable Windows optional feature online feature name Microsoft Hyper-V All. Make sure to shut down or export running VMs first. Next, stop the Hyper-V management service and related services, VMMS and VHDSVC, so components can be removed cleanly. This prevents locks and file corruption. Continue only when services show stopped status. Once services are stopped and the feature is disabled, remove the role completely. Run dism/online/disable feature name, Microsoft Hyper-V All, or repeat the PowerShell command and then reboot. After restart, open Device Manager and uninstall any Hyper-V virtual network adapters and synthetic drivers. Choose Delete Driver Software when offered. Then delete leftover folders such as /program data /Microsoft /Windows /Hyper-V and any orphaned VHD or checkpoint files from storage locations. To finish, remove residual registry service entries for Hyper-V components under HKLM/system /current control set /services, but export keys before editing. Then run bcdedit/set hypervisor launch type off to prevent the hypervisor from starting. Reboot to apply. After boot, verify no Hyper-V services or virtual adapters remain and that VMs no longer appear. If Windows still shows hypervisor active, boot into safe mode and repeat driver and registry cleanup, or run System File Checker.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.